If Chrome is showing the error bad SSL client offcert error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step, so you can get back to browsing without the certificate problem getting in the way. This issue usually happens when your clock is wrong, your SSL cache is outdated, your browsing data is corrupted, or an extension is interfering with secure connections. The good news is that each of these fixes is easy to try, and in most cases, you can solve the problem in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. All right, let's jump into the first fix. First, sync your clock. Secure websites rely on your computer having the correct date and time, and even a small mismatch can cause SSL certificate errors in Chrome. To do this, right-click the time in your taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. In the Settings window, turn on Set Time Automatically, then click Sync Now. This forces Windows to update your clock and time zone information, so Chrome can verify secure connections properly. Once that's done, close the Settings window and try Chrome again to see if the error is gone. If the problem still appears, the next step is to clear the Chrome SSL cache. To do that, press Windows and S on your keyboard, then search for Internet Options and open it. Inside the Internet Properties window, go to the Content tab. From there, click Clear SSL State. Windows will remove old SSL certificate data that may be causing conflicts with the sites you're trying to open. After the cache is cleared, give it a moment to finish, then reopen Chrome and test the website again. If you're still seeing the error, the next fix is to clear your browsing data in Chrome. Corrupted cache or stored site data can sometimes break SSL authorizations and prevent Chrome from establishing a secure session. In Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to All Time, then make sure cookies and other site data is selected, along with cached images and files. You can leave the other options unchecked unless you want to sign out of sites or remove additional data. When you're ready, click Delete Data. Chrome will clear the selected files, which can help remove corrupted information that's interfering with the certificate check. After the cleanup is finished, restart Chrome and visit the page again. If the error is still there, the last thing to check is your extensions. Some extensions can intercept web traffic, modify requests, or create certificate mismatches without you realizing it. To review them, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Once you're there, temporarily toggle off any third-party or unknown extensions, especially ones related to security, proxies, downloads, VPNs, or ad blocking. After disabling them, refresh the page and see if Chrome loads normally. If it does, you can re-enable your extensions one by one to find the one causing the problem. And that's it. By syncing your clock, clearing the SSL state, removing corrupted browsing data, and disabling conflicting extensions, you can usually fix the error bad SSL client offcert error on Chrome very quickly. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe. And if you want more easy Chrome troubleshooting guides, make sure to stick around for the next video.